My name is Christian Feder, and I'm head of agro at KMC, the Danish potato starch factories here in Jutland. And we are standing in the center of Jutland, where we have our test field, as you can see here just behind us, where we are testing new varieties that has been modified with this new technology that is called NGT. Specific here, it is done by the technique that is called CRISPR-Cas. And part of the potatoes standing in the field is a part of the project that we have together with our colleagues in the starch business, not only in Denmark but in Sweden and the rest of Europe. It's mainly in Germany and in the Netherlands and Austria. And, this is a variety project that we are calling the Opportunity Project, and where we have worked with the variety called Kuras, trying to make a variety called that we are, at least as a working title, called the Super Kura. The objective of the modification that we have done here in the potatoes is that we are trying to create a variety that has a lower susceptibility towards late blight. Late blight is a disease that is causing major damage in potatoes, and it is an epidemic disease that has caused a lot of problems. Today we use a certain amount of pesticides, especially fungicides, for controlling this disease, and gives us a lot of problems during the season and also during storage, and therefore we are looking for varieties that has a stronger resistance, a less susceptibility towards these diseases, so we can have better potatoes, but also so that we can, and this is also a very big cost for us, that we can spray less with plant protection, so we make sure that we are also taking part of this green change, that we are also part of the situation where we are not using so many pesticides or fungicides as we have used to in the potatoes. A little about the total project, the Opportunity Project. The Opportunity Project is a unique thing because it is a cooperation between the starch industries in Europe. Although we are competing in the world market on potato starch and also on plant-based protein, we are still able to work together on this here, because this project here with the finding better varieties against late blight, because we need to make sure that this is something that everybody has a gain from, that we can have a good result from that, and even that we are competitors out in the world market, we are still working together on doing these things here, because it is so important for us that we can make sure that our potato growers will have varieties also in the future, so that we can support the change also when we are talking about the plant-based agenda as it coming also today, where people should eat less meat, go for more vegetables, and there our potatoes are a part of this agenda, where we deliver both the starch but also the plant-based protein as a substitute, or at least as maybe something that you can use instead of meat. Therefore it is unique that we can work together, the different companies, even being competitors, because we have a common interest in having better potatoes, making sure that our customers, and thereby also the people who are buying the products where our products are in, are having a good experience, and therefore it is unique that we can work together on this.